For those with a sweet tooth who are trying to swap highly processed sweets for healthier sweet snacks, you can try this. In this video today, I'm going to share 4 ways how I make delicious nutrient-packed snack with peanut butter in less than 5 minutes. In these 4 snacks, I'll be using fruits, whole grains, seeds, plant-based milk, dark chocolate, and of course my homemade peanut butter. First of all, I'm going to show you real quick how I make this one ingredient peanut butter. Lay the peanuts on the baking tray. I'm using peeled peanuts so I can skip the skinning process. Now roast for 5 minutes in the preheated oven over 250 Celsius or until they turn slightly brown. Once the timer is done, leave it outside to cool for about 5 minutes before transferring them into a blender. Now blend them until they turn into a thick buttery paste. It will take you several rounds until they turn into liquid. There you have it, all natural peanut butter. Transfer it into a glass jar and always keep it in the fridge to keep it fresh for up to 2 months. Now using this peanut butter, let's make our snacks. Number 1. Peanut butter fruit sandwich. Apple and peanut butter never get old, but have you tried with pear or banana? They are rich in fiber and pair nicely with peanut butter. All you need to do is cut the fruit into slices and using a butter knife, spread the peanut butter on top like you do with bread. To add more nutrients and texture, garnish with chopped nuts and seeds. For a soft snack option, I'd always go for a banana. Even without the nuts and seeds, they make a creamy, delicious bite. Number 2. Peanut butter stuffed dates. Dates are known to cause lower blood sugar spikes compared to regular sweet treats. Plus, they contain anti-inflammatory benefits. Instead of the sweet treats you get from the grocery, this one is not only tasty but a nutritious choice. Melt some dark chocolate in a microwave on the soften or melt function. It usually takes 1 to 2 minutes with my microwave. Once the chocolate is melted, make sure you stir it until it looks shiny like this. Now to prepare the dates. I'm going to first remove the seed. Cut open one side of the date with a knife, remove the seed and replace it with roast almond. Then stuff some peanut butter to cover the remaining space while you try to close the date as much as possible. And now coat them in our melted chocolate. You can use a toothpick or a fork to roll them around your melted chocolate. Otherwise, it's gonna be messy. For some extra texture and flavor, sprinkle some mixed nuts or sea salt. You can enjoy them right away or place them in the freezer for 1 to 2 minutes to melt the chocolate harder. That's it. Number 3. Peanut butter smoothie. This one is the fastest way to snack where you can toast everything in your smoothie blender and drink straight from it. Feel free to use any liquid base depending on your preference. I like to use unsweetened soy milk for the protein content. If you want to boost your calories, you can use oat milk, frozen banana, and a tablespoon of peanut butter. You can also add your protein powder or collagen powder if you wish, and pulse them until smooth. That's it. For an added texture and flavor, drizzle some peanut butter, garnish with chopped peanuts, and a little bit of chia seeds. Cheers! Number 4. If you feel like a fancy dessert that is nutritious but don't want to spend so much time to make, try this banana split with peanut butter drizzle. It's guaranteed to be a delicious and easy option. Cut the bananas into half and lay them in your serving dish. Or you can lay them flat and cut them in a dish. Scoop some coconut yogurt. I found that the coconut yogurt and banana make a delicious pair. Add frozen berries. Drizzle with the homemade peanut butter and sprinkle some dark chocolate together with the mixed seeds. If you find this video useful for you, give me a thumbs up, and for more healthy recipes rich in antioxidants, do subscribe to my channel. Till next time!